If you're a CLAT aspirant, then you need to hear these 5 game-changing tips. Tip 1. Boost your vocabulary. Dive into novels and newspaper editorials. Make reading a daily habit. Your reading speed will thank you. Tip 2. Get into case studies. Practice applying relevant laws and drawing logical conclusions. It's like solving a puzzle, only better. Tip 3. Revision is your best friend. For CLAT, logical reasoning, revise regularly to grasp concepts fully. The more you revise, the sharper you get. Tip 4. Quantitative skills need daily practice. Tackle a variety of questions and mocks. The more you solve, the more confident you become. Tip 5. Mocks are magic. Attempting and analyzing mocks can make or break your exam day. Track your accuracy, learn from your guesses, and aim for improvement. Remember, consistent practice and smart strategies are your ticket to success. Go get 'em, future lawyers.